All right, here at the boat ramp. Got here just in time for the party at 9 a.m. Where are they? Oh, right there. They're already jamming out. 9 a.m. dancing. We got Courtland right here checking water conditions. How are they?
We'll catch fish.
Perfect. Alrighty, see you on the water. There you go.
Let's go. Bacon.
Oh, moving on. Oh, man. There's a little dock section up here under the water. I'd call that a 10-pounder. Oh, that's a nice one. I mean, not super nice. Oh, yeah, buddy. Oh, yeah, buddy. Look at that. Oh yeah, that's why we're here. Oh. Nice. You cast to the perfect spot. Alrighty, there it is. First one of the day. It's a nice one. Oh, there it is. Oh, look at this. Ah! Let's get him off the hook real quick. Boom, smallmouth. Oh yeah, that's a nice one, buddy.
Oh yeah.
That's the big one of the day. It's almost a keeper.
That's a pretty one.
You don't think it's even big. There you go. Oh, wow. Wow.
Big one?
You hit that button.
Man, that makes me look like a lazy bastard.
Oh, yeah, I was hoping to do that. Stay out of there. Stay out of there. Stay out of there. Stay out of there.
That's a nice fish. That's a big one of the day. Get behind the boat.
Well, I can boat flip her. I've got a net in here, a little guy. I think I can boat flip him.
Oh, on the boat.
Wow, that's my biggest one here ever.
Yeah, I wouldn't have boat flipped him.
I boat flipped 3-pounders on the St. Clair, but
That's St. Clair though.
yeah, same rod, same rig. Oh, there we go. That is nice. He gets a selfie.
Yeah, I think the shade's the way to go.
Oh yeah.
That was what I was waiting.
Look at that guy. Look at him. That is a solid fish. He was fun. He was trying to get down in them logs. All right, time for a selfie. That's probably another one up there. Dude, this is one of the best ones I've caught here. Get one? He's stuck now. All right, there he is. Let's put him back. Later, guy. I'm snagged, and that's like the perfect place. I doubt that was a bite. I think I fished this one out. Oh, that was a bite. Huh. Ouch. That's a big one. Oh yeah. Look at this guy. I was just bringing my lure back to the boat, and he grabbed it as I was pulling it out of the water. Where's the hook?
Oh no.
Are you freaking serious?
Yeah.
Oh, there's your crap right here. Just without everything.
Well, that's how you save a lure.
He said, and that's how you save a lure.
Oh yeah. Well,
You're not catching trees, you're not catching fish. See, now we're back to where we got some deep water in the shade. Like that. Fish turned off. Okay, let me get down this side of the boat. Let me go on. Rock bass! We got Rocky. That's on the Nico leech. I was using Helgramite, but I was like, you know what? I don't see any of the YouTubers using the leech, so look what I'm doing. Boom. The leech, same way I fish the Helgramite, it's just a leech. I gotta get back, he's messing with my trolling motor. Oh, nice. That's a nice one. I just was not expecting that.
that is a nice.
That's a nice one, and I wasn't even like trying to catch him. I was trying not to catch that freaking stick. Oh wow, I need some drag on him. Oh boy. Oh boy. How about this? Can you see? Huh? Not quite. There we go. Hey, run that troller. Just keep us in the middle. Oh. Just turn it off.
Yeah, I was gonna change to a swim bait.
Can you grab the net out of there? It's just like a little fly fishing net. I'm gonna try to get this guy. Yep, just gonna try to get him back to the boat here.
He's pretty too.
Nice, good job. There he is, got him. Cool, thanks.
That's pretty.
Look at him. Wow, he's a nice one. He's got stripes and everything. Let's... Here. Ah! There he is. Cool, time for a selfie. Hey, you want to... All right, putting him back.
It smells like I'm bouncing it back across the bottom.
Yeah, that's what it's saying. There we go.
That's a nice fish.
What?
What?
All right, I had some business to take care of there. This guy's not bad. I've been drooling over this spot for like the last half hour till I got up here, and this is why. Look at that guy, isn't he beautiful? All right, see you later, buddy. Oh, nice. Oh, no.
Did that break your line?
Yes.
That was a nice fish. Wasn't
Wrapped around that stick. That was a monster. Did you see that? Life sucks.
Yep.
Nice. He seems decent, doesn't he?
Might be.
Where's he at?
Yeah, he's decent.
Okay,
Oh, yeah.
I'll just burn it back. Heck yeah, I need a net. Nope, boat flip.
There's a pretty one.
stuck on something, but there's a fish on.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Yeah, there's a fish down there. I see it. Yep, he's got me underneath a stick. I think he might have just swam. Yeah, he just swam away.
What? What color was it?
Had a white tail.
What color was his body?
Red. Oh.
Camera?
Where's my remote for the...
Oh, that's a nice fish. It's actually not nice.
It's nice. Look at that guy. Ain't he nice? Oh, there he goes. Cool. Yep, there he is.
Camera?
I can do it. Don't worry about it. Just deal with this up here. I got 30 seconds. Boat flip. Look at that. Got him. Courtland's up there hung up. I'm just catching smallies.
Ah.
Watch out for the GoPro. Oh, turn it on. That's gonna be... Oh yeah. See if you can turn the whole thing, not just the GoPro. Or just pop it off.
That sucks. I just missed one. That is a nice fish.
Mm-hmm.
Not bad, I guess.
It's a great fish. Look how pretty it is. Look at that. Some great camera manning. Oh, that's sandpaper.
How much do you pay the cameraman?
I'm not paying you anything because you suck at it. All right, there he is. Wait, there. How about that? All right, gotta go. There's a smallie right there. Oh, that's a bite. Oh, that's a nice one. Largie. Big boy. Look at this guy. It's a nice one. Couple pounder.
Double.
Nice, a double. Yep, it's not a spot. Definitely a largemouth. His is definitely a smallmouth. Look at that guy. First largemouth of the day. Alrighty. Would you look at that? There he is.